What's up, guys? Moto Moose here. I'm going to install some logo decals on my bike today. And these decals were provided to me by JiggyMoto. If you want to follow him on both Instagram and YouTube, it's JiggyMoto. And he created my logo for me in vinyl stickers, so I'm going to install them on the bike. So, nice small decals, which is going to be nice and easy to do. Okay, we're going to use, this is actually a stove cleaning tool, but it's great for this to get nice and flat and smoothen it out as I put it on. Alright, so let's give her a shot. So here's my logo he made for me. We're going to install one on the tank and one on each side of the bike, and he gave me some red ones too, so I think I'm going to do red on my black windshield. So there's the logo, and we're going to install it. There we go. Smooth it out nice. Nice, easy, simple process, especially for small ones. Bigger ones are a little harder. If you don't have a nice flat stove cleaning tool like this, you can use either a credit card or those tools you use to put putty on drywall. Those work really well too. So it's looking really good. Doesn't look like we have any air bubbles. I'll give you guys a better view. So there we go. I'm gonna give it a minute to set. Here we go. We're going to lift up this corner and we're going to peel diagonally. There we go. There's my logo on my bike. So there's the final product on the bike. And that's a big thanks to JiggyMoto. If you guys want some decals, follow JiggyMoto on Instagram or on YouTube.